Hey friends, if you encounter Credential Manager Error 0x80090345, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Okay, and now go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft Cryptography, Protect Providers, and then this keyword starts with DF9D8CD0 and the one which ends with 97EB. In the right pane, you will create a DWORD 32-bit entry named Protection Policy. Right click, New, DWORD 32-bit value, Protection Policy. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK and then restart your computer. Your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.